Come here. Oh, hi.
Hi.
How are you guys? Alex, where'd you just get back from?
Swim.
How was practice?
We did races.
They did races. They're getting ready for their meet this weekend. But Jacob, come on and say hi too. You can stay. Come here. Jacob, you can stay. Jacob, you can stay. Or not. Okay. Jacob's sad because Alex just got back from swim. He was getting ready for bed and I said, you know what, let's just go live because I was going to cook for him anyway and I wanted you guys to see how easy it was. So how many of you guys, when you have a really busy night, it's like a sports night or you have like meetings or you get home from work late because you had some deadlines to meet or something like that. How many of you guys right now are going through the drive-thru or picking up something frozen or pre-made and just like reheating it, and then you realize, oh my gosh, not only is it expensive, but it's not that healthy for you? Is that any of you guys out there? No judgment. But did you know there's a better way with Epicure? And like, it's so easy to do that Alex can cook it. Alex, by the way, is how old?
9.
For those of you that are newer and haven't seen him live in a while, because it's been a while since the kids have cooked with me. But we are going to show you how we're going to make his dinner in literally minutes. Like I said, he just got back from swim practice, and so this is probably a lot of your lives where you are super, super busy and you're thinking, gosh, I can't cook at home. But with Epicure, 20-minute meals that are easy, healthy, delicious, allergen friendly, and don't break the bank at $4 or less per serving on average, it's like a no-brainer. Like, why would you not use these products to either make your life easier to cook new things or to just help on those busy days, those really busy days? So I have some salmon here. It's like pre-packaged. I'll go ahead and open it because that way you don't have to touch. But we're going to use our multi-purpose steamer to make some salmon. Jacob, by the way, ate this earlier, Alex.
Oh, why does it have that on the other side?
Don't worry. It's the skin. Because this one has skin. But we'll peel it off. We'll peel it off. Because here's the thing. Jacob ate it earlier. He ate 2 servings, Alex. He gave it an 8.5 out of 10. He liked it a lot.
I give things.
Okay, so we put our salmon patty in there. I actually just left this here from earlier. Hi, Nicola. Okay, so we have a salmon, and earlier I used the sweet garlic chicken packet. Obviously not doing chicken, doing salmon tonight, like I said, but this packet is amazing. It's like hamburger helper, but healthier. Hi, Denise. And the basic recipe is on the back of the package, just like all of our packages, and it tells you in bold the ingredients that you need to do this basic meal would be sweet potatoes, chicken, oil, and this seasoning. Dump it all together on a sheet pan, bake, and boom, you're done. Like, that is another simple meal. But because we have salmon, we're going to do something different with the same exact pack. I call these hamburger helper, but healthier, because it's that concept of we provide the flavor, you provide the fresh. You can use it in all sorts of ways, including salmon tonight. So let me throw that away. And what I did earlier, because I made our portion earlier and then saved a little bit for Alex to make later, is we whisked together that packet of mix, some honey, oil, some soy sauce, and some lime juice.
Wait, soy sauce? Is that bean thing?
Huh?
Is that
No, it's not, you're not allergic to soy sauce. But we mixed it together earlier, and I just left it in here so that Alex can make it later. So you're just gonna brush this on your salmon. It's kind of like a sticky, sweet, garlicky glaze. It's so good. That's gonna give it amazing flavor. So do you like a lot of flavor or just a little bit? Yeah, you want a little bit more?
Yeah.
Okay. And we're just cooking for Alex right now, but if we wanted to cook for the whole family, we totally could. Hi, Marissa, I haven't seen you in a while. So he's gonna brush that on. We earlier made 4 salmon fillets in our multi-purpose steamer. That's looking good. You don't have to make it perfect. I'm gonna put a little bit more for you. Okay, that's looking really good. And when I made it earlier, I made it in the oven because I wanted to like caramelize all that. Alex is like really hungry because he just swam. How much did you swim?
Let's see. You just keep on doing
Okay, he's gonna think about how much you swam. But we're gonna then put on our tray. So the multi-purpose steamer comes with a tray. It allows us to make multiple things at once. We're gonna do our entree and our side dish all together now. Okay?
700 plus meters.
He did 700 meters. This is a hungry growing boy here. That's why I have to do this for my job, guys. I have to make some money while I cook my family dinner.
Mom,
Yes?
it's actually not a lot.
What do you mean?
Sometimes we do like 400 to just one thing.
I cannot swim that. Could you guys swim that? I would die if I tried to swim
But
that.
it's worth like fins sometimes
gosh.
or like snorkels.
He is so good at swimming now, guys. He just started competitive swimming in May. So less than a year ago. Anyway, I'm going to add a little bit of SPG, which stands for salt, pepper, and garlic on top of the Brussels sprouts. Those are Brussels sprouts, by the way. They were half Brussels sprouts. I mean, Jacob liked them. I'm going to put a little more of the sauce on here to give it some flavor. Just a little. Okay. And then we're going to take the lid. Here you go. Yeah. The other way. Yep. There you go. Okay. Push it on and put it in the microwave for 4 minutes. Start. There we go. So he got home just minutes ago. He's going to have his home-cooked meal in under 4 minutes. For sure, if we were just doing that and not talking to you all, we could have totally had this dinner from start to ready to eat in probably 5 minutes, because it does not take long at all to whisk that package in with the extra ingredients. Brush it onto your meat. You can use chicken if you don't like salmon. You can use steak. You can use shrimp. You can use tofu. It is so versatile. That's why I love about these products. But Alex could have done that himself. Like, I could have been upstairs putting the other kids to bed right now.
But they are.
They are. They're upstairs with Dad doing bed. I could have been.
No, they're crying.
They're fine. I could have been doing laundry. I could have been putting my feet up and watching TV. What are we talking about? That doesn't happen for parents, right? Except after you go to bed. But anyway, if you like the idea of our products, but it's not in your budget, or maybe you're like, man, it's winter time, it's dreary, I miss my girlfriends, I miss my couple friends, I miss seeing people that aren't my children and my family, consider booking a party. I do girls' nights, couples' nights, all the nights, in person or virtually, and when you book, you get a $20 booking certificate from me as my VIP. You also, if you book one of these dates virtually, February 7th, 14th, or 21st, you get a bonus gift from me. Or if you are wanting to do in person, you don't have to be local to me to do in person. I will join you virtually if you want to invite friends and family over to eat, drink, and be merry with you. I did a charcuterie class last night with a host, and oh my gosh, they were so fun. I had to join them virtually because they were in New Hampshire, but these are my in-person dates. Grab one of these dates and you will get an extra gift from me on top of that $20 free. Alex, what are you doing with this?
I'm trying to fix it.
No, peel it off. It's just extra glue.
No, we're fixing it.
So hosting is an incredible way to get your wish list for free or half price. Or, even better deal for you guys, have you considered our business kit? I have a recording that you can watch. It's super quick and easy and painless. No pressure at all. Just watch it and see if you might want to invest in an $80 business kit. It includes almost $300 of Epicure food and cookware, and it is a life changer, guys. You get a personal discount on all of your Epicure orders. You get Friday pay every single week that you have sales. And you also get your product for free as a consultant when you're the host. So you can be easily saving lots of money on your Epicure by being a consultant, as well as earning Friday pay. I have consultants that are brand new, making a few $100 extra a month, all the way up to more than $1,000 per month extra. So if you are looking for some extra cash, because the grocery bills are through the roof and inflation in general is just through the roof, I urge you to at least watch and listen and learn about our $80 business kit. It's on sale this month. It's normally $100, this month is $80, and then you can make an informed decision. I don't care either way whether you guys in your Epicure journey join me as a good food ambassador or as a host or as a customer. But at the end of the day, I just want you guys to have the tools you need to eat good food real fast, to not have to go to the drive-thru on your busy nights like most families probably did after practice tonight. Because cooking at home is so easy, so delicious, and inexpensive. So, hey, your salmon's almost done.
No, I wanted it.
Did you want to talk to them at all?
Hi.
Also, hi Rebecca, Lynn, and Susan.
Wait, how does everyone go on here? There's so much people.
Well, I think they like seeing you cook more than they like seeing me cook, because they see me cook all the time. They don't see you. If you are joining late, Alex just got back from swim practice and we're making his dinner rather than going through the drive-thru. And we just started, I don't know, 10 minutes ago? Okay, you want me to do it? Is it hot? You can use a pot holder. It's not hot. Ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Bye-bye!
Hey, why is it so wet?
It's just condensation. So that is actually a great segue, Alex. We didn't add any oil, we didn't add any water. It just steams in its natural juices and it steams to perfection. Look at how beautifully green those Brussels sprouts are. So good.
They're not green anymore.
They are green. They are still green.
They're still green, but they have stuff on them because you put that stuff
I put seasoning on them, yeah. So that's what the brown parts are. But we're gonna put this on your plate. So good.
No, but like how did they get on here so fast?
Because they cook really quick in the steamer, man.
No, like the people
Lift that tray
there.
off, and then
Mom,
here is
I'm
your
talking about
salmon,
the people
son.
watching.
What about them?
How did they come on so fast?
I don't know. How did you guys get here so fast? Alex wants to know. Where are you all coming from?
Hey, the skin.
I will take it off, but show them your dinner that you made yourself in less than 5 minutes. Guys, the drive-thru takes longer than that.
Yeah, actually it does.
Jacob, do you want to come say hi? No?
The drive-thru took like 10 minutes.
The drive-thru took 10 minutes?
Yeah.
All right. You want to take the bite? Or is it's probably too hot. He doesn't like his food this hot. You want to take a bite? Or you want to just say goodbye and go eat?
Look at the skin.
I will take the skin off.
What do I eat? Let me see. I'll take a look.
Hi, Merida. We just made salmon and Brussels sprouts in under 5 minutes. Alex made it actually. So if you're joining us late, you'll have to catch a replay. Oh, he likes it. I knew he would. And here's a little roll for you. I know you like those. Got a little Hawaiian roll action. I would have done the Epicure biscuits, but those are sold out because they're so delicious. And I'm out of my stash. I have Allie Cantor, I think, to thank for that. She wiped me out of my on-hand biscuits. But that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed our impromptu demo tonight. And consider doing a party of your own, either virtually or in person. I would love to treat you to $20 free. Or consider our business kit on sale, $80 this month. Incredible value, jam-packed, and you owe it to yourself to at least explore whether or not it might be a good fit. Would you like to say hello? No? Okay. We're going to go now, but thanks, guys.
Bye.